We are pleased to show you the 2018 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.